Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my Omaigirl Nonstop inspired design. Start off by painting your index nail pink. Using a dark brown, make the outline of an island. Add a line on either side of the island as the horizon. Fill the bottom part of the island in with beige and the top part with mint. Fill in the area below the horizon line with mint polish. Use a dark brown to make a palm tree. Fill the leaves in with mint and then go over any lines you feel need to be fixed with a dark brown. Seal in your design with a top coat. Paint your middle nail mint. Make the outline of a heart with dark brown. You want it to be a little off-center to the left to leave room for the drop shadow. Add a dark brown shadow beside the heart. Fill the heart in with pink. Write the word Quest above the heart with dark brown. Finally, add a brown question mark inside of the heart. Seal in your design with a top coat. Paint your ring fingernail white. Use a dark brown to make the outline of a heart and then the outline of a bear around it. Fill the heart in with pink and fill in the bear with a light brown. While the heart and the bear are drying, outline the nail with a dark purple. I didn't notice until I was top coating the nail, but I forgot to fill in the section under the bear's arm with purple when I was filming. Make sure you don't miss that part when you're painting. Once everything's dry, use a dark brown to write O inside of the heart and to make the bear's face. Seal in your design with a top coat. Paint your pinky nail pink. Use white paint or polish to make the outlines of two squares. Outline the nail with a dark purple. Fill the squares in with mint. Once the polish is dry, use white to add 3 to 4 hearts to each die. Seal in your design with a top coat. For the last design, you'll want to paint your thumbnail pink. Outline the nail with white. Make 5 horizontal white lines on the bottom half of your nail. You want them to get thinner as you get closer to the center. Use a mint polish to write Nonstop in the center of the nail. The reason I painted the letters out of order like this was to give myself a better idea of how the letters needed to be spaced out. Sealing your design with a top coat, and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!